A very important question for B.Ed and D.L.Ed students, which is asked every year in the exam. Instructional aids or teaching aids. Meaning, instructional materials are the devices which make the process of teaching learning more effective and meaningful. Different terms have been used by different educationists for the instructional material, such as instructional aids, audio visual aids. All these terms mean the same thing. When we call them audio visual aids, the term audio refers to hearing and the word visual refers to seeing. It means audio visual aids are those things that appeal to our senses of both hearing and seeing. They have effect on our eyes and our ears. Definition: according to Edgar Dale, audio visual aids are those devices by the use of which communication of ideas between persons and groups in various teaching and training situations is helped. These are also termed as multi-sensory materials. Types of instructional aids. First, visual aids. The aids which use sense of vision are called visual aids. For example, actual objects, pictures, models, charts, maps, flashcards, chalkboard, slides, overhead projector, etc. Second is audio aids. The aids which involve the sense of hearing are called audio aids. For example, radio, tape recorder, record player, lingua phone, etc. Third one is audio visual aids. The aids which affect both the sense of vision and sense of hearing are called audio visual aids. For example, television, film projector, film strips, etc. Importance of audio visual aids. It is estimated that out of the five senses, it is through the sense of hearing and sight that 86% of knowledge is gained by human beings. Therefore, audio visual aids have a great importance in the teaching learning process. Audio visual aids have many advantages which are given below. First, helpful in creating interest. The use of audio visual aids by the teacher while teaching makes the learning process more interesting. The teacher in the class makes use of charts, pictures, film strips, and performs an experiment. All this makes the lesson interesting for the students. Second, helpful in providing reality. The use of audio visual aids provides reality to the learning situation. The learners get direct experience of things when the teacher presents real objects, its picture in the class. Subscribe the channel for more related videos to your subject, and don't forget to watch the playlist link given in the डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर लिंक दे रखा है अलग अलग प्लेलिस्ट का, तो वहाँ से अदर जो आपके सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको देखना ना भूलें. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ डिजिटल KNL कोचिंग. आप लोगों के लिए जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बनते हैं वो समय समय पर लेकर आता रहता है. यूज़ ऑफ मैक्सिमम सेंसेस. Audio visual aids involve the maximum use of senses. The students have to see and hear things taught in the class, and sometimes they have to do themselves. Next, helpful in developing various skills. The use of audio visual aids helps in the development of various skills among the students. They learn how to draw a diagram, learn how to handle the apparatus, and how to face the problems in conducting an experiment. Helpful in fixing the knowledge. The use of audio-visual aids in the class during learning process makes knowledge of the students permanent and stable. It helps in fixing the knowledge in the mind of the learners. Next, motivate the learner. The aids motivate the learners and arouse their feelings of curiosity. Thus, motivation keeps the child fully absorbed and they try to learn more and more. Next one is developing the power of imagination. Use of audio visual aids develops the power of imagination as well as the power of reasoning. They also learn systematic and organized use of these aids. Next one is save the time and energy. Audio visual aids save the time and energy of the student as they learn more quickly through the use of charts models than by simply lecturing. Active involvement of the students. The use of audio visual aids helps in the active involvement of the students in teaching learning process. The use of only textbook reading and explaining by teachers make the students passive listeners. Meet the individual differences. The use of audio visual aids also meet the individual differences of the student. It has been observed that some students are ear minded. Such students learn by hearing, some others are able to learn through seeing things, while others learn better through doing. Thus, the different types of aids made the varied requirements of the students more clarity and better understanding. They make the abstract ideas concrete. Thus, the use of audio visual aids make learning more effective. It results in more clarity and better understanding. Conclusion. Thus, display of teaching aids in every school is essential for the improvement of the quality of teaching. It should indeed bring about an educational evolution in the country. So students, it is the important question for every teaching subject of B.Ed and D.El.Ed students which is asked every year in your exams. Thank you.